morning guys! At ito, it's Monday and it's Ben's first, isn't it Ben? First school. Well, pasukan niya sa my childminder niya. Are you ready, Ben? Iso, may backpack pa siya. Iso. He's ready. Ayan. Come on. Open, please. Let's go. Wait for me. Good job. Oh, come on now, get in there. Oh, mind your head, mind your head. Mind your head. Thank you. Oh, get up. That's it. Yeah? Drop me help, yeah? Drop me help, yeah? Go on, climb up. Set your backpack off. Off, yeah? That's it. Yan, na-erase na yung pangalan mo. Wala na yung name mo dyan. That's it. Climb up. Good job. Oh, sit down, please. Sit down. Boing. What is? Oh, William. Well, Kuya William's in the house. It's his birthday today. Oh, William's birthday today, guys. It's his actual birthday today. All right. Pardon? Oh, your car. You got loads of car in Mama Sue. Okay. So, ihatid na natin si Ben. And then, balikan natin si William. And then we will go out kasi pagpipiliin ko siya sa kung anong gusto niyang cake. Oh, kahapon, he's been asking balloon and cake. Sabi ko, okay, we'll have another cake. Alright, say good morning, guys. Welcome to our channel. Wala. Oh, sige na, tara na. Let's go. You ready? Ready? Yeah? Ready na daw siya, guys. Ready na siya. Ano na, late na actually tayo. 8 o'clock ang pasok niya eh. 8:11 na. Pero it's okay. Hindi naman hindi naman parang school na may 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock dapat nandun ka na. Ito naman, you turn up when you turn up. O, diba? Yeah, whoops. Napakagitna naman ni Manong. O, ayos ka. Manong taxi. Ba, the sun is trying to come out pero malamig siya, guys. 14 degrees tayo ngayon. So, this is the start of autumn kasi September na. It's the 1st of September. Yeah, it's William's na birthday ng ating William. He is 5 years old na. So, ganyan pala yan. Kaya excited kami na mag-blow ulit ng candle, though that is his third candle na. third cake. Kasi may mga cupcake siya nung nag-holiday kami, and then he had Minion with the play date with friends. Oop. And then today he will choose his cake and then his present. Kasi yung mga iba kakilala naman, dami-daming present ng mga kids, as in, so surprise nila. I've realized every time we buy gifts for William, minsan gusto niya, minsan hindi. So this time, I'd rather let him choose what he wants. Dad is in bed. He did a night shift. Yeah, he's with Kuya William. Yun, bumalik si William sa bed, sa tatay niya. Nakitulog din, guys. Ayan, the sun's trying to come out. Oh my G. We love it. Pero malamig, mahangin siya. I hope it gets warmer. 14 degrees ata, tas uulan pa. And then I think the highest temperature today is 18. Ayan na, mag-winter na, grabe. I'm glad we actually enjoyed our summer this year. We've been here everywhere. We used the caravan at least 3 times dun sa 6 weeks holiday. So it's not too bad. So sometimes it's better yung short break, yung parang every other weekend ganun, kesa yung long. Yeah. Ay, so? Pardon? Oh, you're gonna see the fire truck now? See the fire truck? That's a fire station. Aba, hindi pa busy ang kalsada dahil ang actual pasukan. Yeah, there's the fire engine. You didn't see now. Yeah, over there. Ang pasukan nila guys is sa Wednesday pa. So si William sa Wednesday pa papasok. So ngayon, Monday and Tuesday, I have time to trim his hair kung he will let me. Kasi ayaw niya napapagupit. Yes, oh look, that's the car. Pero yung iba back to normal, na sila, normal work. I think other school, some school nag-start early, some other school late, pero sa amin kay William sa Wednesday, kaya hindi sabay-sabay ang mga school para at least yung traffic hindi siya ganito ka bad. Ayan, we're here na guys. O, di ba malapit lang si childminder for Ben. I think we're gonna go around and we'll turn around and we'll park at the front. Okay? Ayan guys, naihatid na natin si Ben. Pero, my God, nung siya, oh look, dinosaur! Ganun pa siya. Pero nung binaba ko na siya sa floor, nafe-feel niya na iiwan ko siya doon. So, nagstay ako konti. Pero nung nakatalikod siya, tumakbo na ako. Pero narinig niya yung door. So, umiyak siya. I could still hear him. Hopefully, he'll settle. Kasi, syempre, 6 weeks din na 5 weeks pala. Kasi pumunta siya nung first week na pinabantay namin siya. Ala, kawawa naman. Pero, he'll get over it. Kasi may kalaro naman siyang 2 bata doon. And then, they might go to the playgroup today. So, hopefully, he will be alright. So, tara na. At, bihisan na. Oh my God, sorry. Bihisan na natin si William. Sunduin na natin si William. At kailangan na naming mag-grocery ulit kasi paubos na naman ang ating laman ng ref. Parang ang bilis. Pagka mga bata talaga nasa bahay, parang non-stop eating guys. I don't know with your kids. And of course, hindi lang naman kids, pati parents. Mga parents din non-stop eating. Ayan, medyo gumising na dumami ng mga cars. Ay, araw, kalimutan ko ang aking sunglasses. So I hope you're all okay guys. To those who are watching, welcome po. At thank you po sa pagdalaw sa aming video channel. Saan man kayo sa mundo, I hope masaya kayo at healthy, di ba? Happy birthday, William! Ayaw niya suot yung jumper niya pero meron siyang blanket, guys. So, ayan, si William with me. Ayan. And we're going to buy you some toys. And your cake. Yeah? So, go get your cake. Are you ready? Ready. Come on then, let's go. Are you alright, William? Boy? ilabas natin si William. Siya daw ang pipili ng ano. He said he'll choose his toy and his cake. So we'll see what he wants for his cake. Okay, but we'll go and buy some stuff first. So wala na tayong pagkain. Paubos ng ating fridge. You get the back na? Makulimlim at mahangin today, so it's 14 degrees. Malamig. Aba, naantok na siya. Huwag ka munang matulog na. Naku, it's about to rain pa man din. William! Ala! Are you sleeping? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, William. Nakatapos ng toddlers group. Oh no, William, it started to rain. What are we going to do? We can park here. Ano ba yan? William, don't go sleep, anak. Ang aga kasi nilang gumising, guys. Kaya yan, inaantok na. Yes, William. Nakatulog na siya, guys, sa cart namin. Nagising siya, guys, nung natapos na kami mag-food shopping. So, over food, doon na lahat. Food shopping. Natulog siya all the way through while we're doing our food shopping, aren't you na? Now, na-feel niya yung lamig sa labas. So, nagising siya. So, nilagay ko na siya dyan and he's having his snacks. What have you got? Flapjack. Wow! Happy birthday! Alright, okay. Shall we go to the Smith's Toys? Yeah? Get you some toys. William? Yan guys, nakatulog siya, nakaidlip siya. So let's say, anong oras? At least 30 minutes na food shopping namin. Nakatulog siya sa may ano. Yung mga tao nakatingin, nakaka-smile na lang kasi tulog ang William. So, hindi ko natik lahat ng listahan ng nasa list. Kasi wala akong paglagyan. Buti na lang yung mga sa bag sa sides and then sa ilalim merong storage. So doon ko nilagay yung shinaping ko. Pero doon kasi sa basket, sa trolley, hindi kasya kasi nandun si William. You ready, William? Should we go buy you some toys? Ang katuwa ka na. Tara usog. Happy birthday ulit. Ayan, magpapansit Mickey tayo. Mga Ilocano style na pansit Mickey. Yung nilagyan namin ng orange, yung parang atsuete. Hindi parang atsuete talaga. Ayan, dala pa nila nana yun. So, yes. Tingnan natin ang reaction niya pagpunta natin sa Smith's. Kasi parang paradise for the kids yun eh. At yan, it started to go busy na. Ano na, 11:11. Okay. So almost an hour tayo naka-food shopping. O, diba? Ay, mali tayo ng lane. Oh gosh. Tayo ng lane kasi we're going to that way. You happy, William? Happy eating flapjack? Give him energy, guys. Yan. Parang mixture yan ng ano, parang sweet oatmeal, parang ganon. Right tayo dito. Stay on your lane, thank you. And guys, hiniram ko yung phone holder ni Tomas. So hindi siya mas magalaw. Kasi yung akin talagang may magalaw siya. Pero this one, mas stable siya konti. You can still see the vibration. Pero at least hindi nakakahilo katulad nung una kong mga vlogs. Kasi nakakaya. Sabi ko, oh my God. Kaya pala nagre-reklamo yung nanay ko tsaka yung friend ko. Sabi ko, nakakahilo naman. 128.9 ang ating fuel. Dami namang pothole dito. Bakit naman to nag-park dito? Yellow, double yellow lane. Kasya tayo. Never mind, si Mr. Truck. Yes, go to Toys Superstores. Meron? Parking ng kids. Ayan guys, dyan tayo pupunta. Toy Superstores. Let's have a look. That's William. Oh, which one, William? Let's go and have a look here. You can pick what you like. Which one? Nicole? Kaya pala, naiihi pala siya, guys. Buti na lang meron silang toilet dito. Ayan, dito sa my baby area siya. Kita niya yung mga star-star paglabas ng toilet. Yeah. Oh, yes, you had one like this. Do you remember? Yeah. You had one like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stingray?
Wait a minute. It is a stingray. Yes. Look, where's the turtle? They're missing. What's in here? I think it's a ball. It's a bubble missing in here. But there's a seagull. Look at the seagull. Seagull.
Come on. Let me find it.
Yeah, come on then. Oh, you choose what you want now. It's your pet. It's your pang baby sa mga hawak niya. That's for baby Ayla. I'm gonna give it to the baby. Right. Is that for baby Ayla? Come on, let's go find some toys here for you. Oh wow, is that a ball? Oh, I know. Do you want some bubbles? Yeah? Come on, let's go find some bubbles. Good boy, thank you. Oh, giraffe. Octopus. Where are the 5-year-olds? Oh yeah, where are the 5-year-old toys? It's a mix, isn't it? It goes that way. Oh, lovely, thank you. Oh wow, teapot. I'm a little teapot. Do you want that?
It's so big.
Never mind. Don't you want it? Are you sure? Come on then. I think it's this way. Yeah? Oh, good boy. Oh. What, this way? Which one? Go on, go get it. Go get it. What about this one? Animals. Oh, wow. That's loads of them. Farm ones, look. Okay, I'll follow you. Oh, look at the giraffe, William. Woohoo! We'll go this way daw. O sige, you do the lead. I'll follow you. Haven't you decided? Ang bilis-bilis niya tumakbo. Hindi pa siya nakaka-decide, guys. He just keep walking back and forth. May hahawakan siya, isusoli niya ulit. Ang bilis niya, guys. Which one do you want? Is that what you want? Katayo sa may sa may bike. You have your bicycle, anak. Yan pong gusto niya, yung may drums at may stick. Tsaka yung piano. Pero mas gusto niya ito. So, iniwan na namin yung piano. Are you happy with that? Wow! Bit-bit niya ang kanyang gift. Siya ang namili, guys. So, that is better. Kasi we bought him some toys pero ayaw niya. So, this one, he chose for it. So, either the wooden piano or this one. Nakita niya yung drums and the stick. Wow! Good job! Ayaw na niyang bitawan, guys. Let's open it. Shall we open it? Yes? Yes! Wow! How are you opening this one? And then, you wanted this one or the piano? You chose this one. Diba? O mas nakapit tayo, guys, kasi you chose what you wanted. What you want. Okay? Right, okay. Wow! This one? Gusto lang yung stick. Okay. Are you gonna share it with Ben? Yeah. That's very nice of you, sharing it with Ben. Careful with your fingers. So let's get sharp there. And hindi na makapagantay. Wow! Actually, she wants to stick. Who am I? Scissors? Oh, here. You're not gonna open? Use this one. Wala tayong knife, eh? Wala tayong scissors. Maybe we go this way. So we go home, get some scissors. Yeah? You can hold it that way. You can hold it. Yeah. What do you call it? Not scissors, yeah? We'll go get some scissors. Yay! That one? Just that one now. How are we gonna get that out? Yay! Yeah, you can have the other one. Yes, yan lang pala gusto mo na. Oh, you want that? Oh! That's not a sword, that's a stick. It's a drumstick. Okay, now we're gonna pull the other one. Yeah! Yay! What? Ito naman. Hindi naman kahirapan ko yung mga ano ba kung keep na to? Nakahirapan yung mga nana. Yay! Got one! Yay! Got the stick. Ayan, nakuha na siya. Okay? Ang bata ka na pang 19, 18 months old plus. Okay, how do we get this off now? So you're gonna use that on your drums. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. He likes musical instruments, so. Oh. So he like that one. Come on. Let's take it off when we're at home. Ready? There you go. So we can open all of these properly pagdating natin sa bahay, okay? We're gonna put this back in there. And we'll get the rest done. Aliko, what'd you say now? Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, Mommy. What about this one? Okay, thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Diba, simple lang, oh? Okay, let's put your seatbelt first. Woohoo! Ayan, guys, masaya na siya. Meron na siyang drums. Diba? Pang ano pa talaga, pang 18 plus months old yun, eh. Pero gusto niya yung drums. Wala naman ako makita na pang adult one. Pang adult? Pang older kids. Alright, it started to rain. Tara, let's go home na. At magluluto pa tayo ng pancit Mickey. Let's go! Labas ng mga food shopping natin. Say again? What is it, Nak? Yes, you can. And guys, pauwi na tayo. At medyo busy na sa town. At umuulan na rin, diba? Drizzle lang naman. It's not too bad, guys. 14 degrees pa rin. At 12 lunch na tayo. Gutom na tayo. Are you hungry, Nak? Oh, we've been eating flapjack pala, so we're not hungry. You hungry? No? Okay. You did it? What did you do? Ay, ang lungkot naman ng babae sa likod. Huwag kang matulog, my God. Nakaganon yung babae. Nakaganon siya sa likod. Bakit tayo dumaan dito, anak? Ang dami palang traffic light dito. Dito tayo dumaan. Ba yan? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Drum, drum! Go on! At the... I go na, green. Green, green, green. Go, 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 go. Hi, yellow. Wag muna. Muntik tayong maabutan ng red. Ay, ay, ay. Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. Thank you. Ito naman si Manong Bus Double Decker. Stay there. Huwag kang mag-turn right. Thank you. Ako'y mag-turn left. Ang dami namang saradong shop dito. Tayo ng shop. Mag-open tayo ng shop, guys. Ano kaya ititenda natin? Magtinda tayo ng lumpia. Spring roll for sale. Magbebenta yan. Love ng mga birto ng They love the spring rolls. Yan lang ang ibebenta natin. Spring rolls only. Magsusurvive kaya a shop that only sell spring roll, diba? Pero different ka. May spring roll, may vegetables, may puro karne, Shanghai, diba? Ayan, we're here na. Yes! We're home! Oh. Pagod na naman. Say again. And guys, we're home. Diyos ko, pagod ito kasi I'm sure Ben will be tired as well kasi you woke up about 5 in the morning. At sisigaw ng gata si Ben. Milk, mommy! Pati din si William. Oh, my God, it's still early. So, ayan. 5 o'clock, guys, we were awake. Kaya, pagod na. Come on, let's go get your balloon! No? I thought you wanted the balloon. No? What about your cake? Yeah. Shall we go and get your cake? No? Oh no! Oh no! Naku nga yung pangumulan. It's raining. Raining cats and dogs. Sabi nila dito, cats and dogs daw pagka malakas ang ulan. Sabi ko, it's raining cats and dogs. Sabi ng mga nursing home na pinag-workan. Where? Akala ko naman totoong cats and dogs. Ano lang pala nila yun? Expression. Idiomatic expression. Oh my goodness, what we gonna do? We're gonna stay in the car now. Oh, never mind. We'll just eat na lang. While waiting for the rain to stop. Asan ang ating, natabunan ng ating flapjack, anak? Oh dear. Pari ko. Ayan, flapjack. Kain, guys. What's up? What you say? Oh, welcome. Diyos ko, guys, tingnan nyo naman ulan. Buhos na ulan! My God. That's why it keeps raining. Mommy keeps singing. O, diba? Ang ganda ng ulan. Oh, buhos pa ulan. Yan, it stopped na. Hindi pa pala. Oh, dear, anak. What we're gonna do? We'll stay here until Daddy wakes up. Wala tayong payong. Payong nasa likod. Oh! It's pouring rain, guys! Nanay, tatay, umuulan dito. Parang may bagyo. Parang wala namang bagyo. Mario Sep. Di ba therapeutic siya, guys? Panoorin ang mga droplets. Di ba? See the droplets, William? Look. Pouring. Buti lang may pagkain tayo, hindi tayo magugutom. Then some more. Good job. Buti hindi na umiyak kasi hindi ko matanggal yung strap ng toy niya. Wala tayong scissors. Dapat pala may dala akong scissors dito. Ayun nga. Wala akong dalang ano. Dapat pala may dala tayong straps or something like scissors, diba? Hindi mo alam. Ang self-defense mo na rin yun. Char. Nako. Ano pa nga ba? Tambay muna kami sa loob, guys. Tawagan natin si nanay. Let's have a video call with nanay. See you later, guys.
Ayan guys, tuloy ang pag-open sa mga ito. Yung toy niya. Mas bigat A, look at that. A, ang 18 months old plus toy. So, William, my God. Itong gusto niya. Alam mo, QRC pa ako. B, meron tayong C. William, pwede kayo egg. And your drums. Did it make it easy to open this one? Wala sa next toy. Hard to open the toy. Ayun, dami. There you go. Oh, you have to put down. Now, put your feet back on the upper table.
I can't crack it. It's it's like this. Tick, 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 tick. Look at this. It's A, big A, big A. It's big B, B. Look at that. B, B, B for the bees. What's this? C, tambourine. Is that a tambourine? Ayan, at least na-try na niya. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 banana. Na, 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 na. Shake, 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 banana. Na, 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 na. 5, 4, 3, 2. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, William. Faster, faster. Happy birthday, William. Happy birthday, William. Happy birthday, William. Hap, hap. Hap, hap. Faster na. Ayan guys, typical British weather. O, diba? Sobrang sunny na, blue sky. Kailangan lang umulan ng malakas para clear ang sky. Now, I'm getting the balloon and candles dito sa caravan. Tingnan natin. Meron pa tayong candles na natira and balloons. Kasi hindi na kami natuloy sa Tesco kasi natulog. Tulog naman ang William Mariosep. Ayan. Let's have a look. Ayan, mga snacks pa dito. Uy. Ayan, may number. Bato. May number 2. Kay Ben yan. Number 6. 3. 7. Nung birthday ni Daddy. Nung birthday ni Tatay, kasi 72. At si Ben 2. Kada dalawa na lang ang balon natin. Wala akong nakita sa ano eh. Okay na yan. Dalawa lang ang balon ni William. Akala ko we have loads pa. Ano ba yan? Di bale na. Ay, wow! Naalala nyo to, guys. Ayan, oh. Oh, nanay. Do you remember this one, nanay? Look at that. May bulaklak na. Lumalaki na siya, oh. Oh, ganda. Alright. It is, bro. I tried it last night. Itong lunch ni William, guys. Egg sandwich. And then he ate the dessert first. The chocolate and the raisin chocolate.
So he snapped it in half.
Oh, right. Oh, he's eating the pastilles first. Okay. Happy birthday, William! Ayan, guys, mausok. Ginisa natin ang ating karne. So, we are making, ano na po ang ating ginagawa. Gumagawa na tayo ng, ano ba yan? Na-distract ako, guys. May nag-pop kasi na message. Anyway, ginigisa na natin yung meat. Kasi gumagawa tayo ng pansit Mickey. Ayan. Ito po yung egg noodle. So, eto. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan ang ating harina. So, any self-raising flour or any harina. Lagay natin sa ating mixer. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ng egg, a bit of water, and a bit of salt. O, diba? Yan lang noodles natin. Ayan. Mix, 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 mix. Ayan. Ito lang naman garlic, onion, and then whatever meat. Usually, pork or chicken pwede siya. Ayan. So, binoil ko na yung bones. Meron tayong bone dyan. Masarap kasi pagka buto-buto at yung sabaw. Tapos, inano ko na lang, sinala ko na lang siya. So, yung sabaw, nandun na sa container. At yung meat na tira. So, tinanggal ko na lang yung mga maliliit na bones kasi may mga bata tayo, diba? So, we don't want them to choke with it. Ayan. So, habang nagigisa tayo nito, guys, gawin na natin yung noodles. Ano ba ito? Puro yung aking flour kung saan-saan nakarating. Anyway, ano ba yan? So, lagyan natin ng salt. Ayan, nakikita nyo na ako, guys. Wala tayong salt. And that's our salt, egg, and flour. Tapos konting tubig. And then, i-mix na natin. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Mix tayo. Ay, dali. Ito, bit of water. So, pang 60 mils. Oh, konti-konti lang. Mamaya ano pala. Sobrang basa pala. Ayan, let's have a look. Turn on. It's finished. There you go. See that?
Ooh,
Ooh.
it's hot.
It's not hot. It's the dough.
Yes, it's a dough.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we will cut it.
I know.
Okay. Be careful. Hey, don't! Oh my God. Buti kami lang, tayo lang ang kakain yan, ha? Oh, hindi na tayo mamimigay sa kila tita. Dinilaan niya, guys. Bless him. Ano ba yan? Gutom ka na? Are you hungry? Kaya pala. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to put... Oh, say hi, Daddy. We'll put some flour. Okay. Okay na. Let's put some flour. Go. Ayan, at himas-himasin natin, guys. Ito, ayan. Look at that. Okay, do you want to have yours?
Yeah.
Okay, put it there. There you go. Okay? Come on. No, that's yours there. Here, roll it. Do the rolling pin? Just gusto niya yung akin. Okay? Well, let's show. Yan, look at that. Ang dali. Ayan, mix. Oh. Okay, go. Roll it. Are you sure your hands are clean? Too late now. And he put his tongue out as well. Yeah? Bless him. Okay? I know. Okay? Just roll it like that. Okay? So, make sure that's it. So, it's too long of a room. Yeah, ayan. So, there and there. Wow.
You're not mind sticking that ring light in your
Yeah.
That's got a phone holder in it.
I think so, yeah.
Where is it?
It's in the upstairs with my aesthetic stuff, but because it's a stand, the boy's gonna take it away, or you know. So it's just, there you go, there's the noodle. Wow! How cool is that, mommy? Okay, so we'll put a bit of flour on that. That's it, William. Put it all in. Good job. Oh, diba? I have my assistant. That's it. Oh. Good. Right. Let mommy have some. Yes. Guys. Yeah, so that's like that. There you go. Wow. Good job. Yeah, more flour. Thomas naman is getting ready. So I'm actually brushing this one para makakain din siya. Kawawa naman. Pero hindi naman pagkain dyan, pero rice. Eh parang nasimulan ko na to. So nakatingin na siya. Is that a stress reliever, William? Yeah? O diba? Parang nasa restaurant tayo. Yeah, the customers are hungry. Yeah? Tapos mga 3:25 kailangan sunduin si Ben. Kasi hanggang 3:30 lang siya doon. Ben cried, by the way, Daddy.
Cried?
Yeah.
Why?
When I left him.
Why did you not sneak off?
I did, but when he heard the door, Mommy! And then Sue sent me a photo that he settled after. There you go.
Yeah, you've been settled. It's just because it's been 6 weeks since, it's been 6 weeks.
5 weeks, kasi when you do make a mess every day naman eh.
I know.
Yes, you're gonna help me tidy up later. I said, shall we go and start your balloon? I said, no, he doesn't want the balloon, bless him. I thought you wanted it. Didn't you? Do you want the balloon? So, homemade siya, guys. Wala naman tayong bisita, kami-kami lang. So, wala na mga style-style yan. Basta, kasya yan sa mouth natin. Yes! Done! So, put away the knife. Hayaan ko na si William maglaro dyan sa may bowl. Excuse me. Thank you. Daddy still got the pancit. Thank goodness. I forgot all about the pancit. There's your rolling pin.
Oh, thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome. Where's my spoon? There he is.
The IPA.
Already, guys. So, eto, this is the actuete. How am I gonna show you? Annatto seed. Yes, you see too. Yan, pampakulay po ito.
Cheese.
Say cheese. He's thinking making You're not making pizza, you know. You're making noodles. Kaya mag-ano daw?
Who's that?
He said cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese, yeah. Akala niya gagawa siya ng pizza, guys. So, yan. So, you have to mix.
La 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 la. Candy cane.
Candy cane.
La 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 la.
Oh, use your rolling pin, flatten it. And then it's nice with the la 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 candy cane. Ayan po. Anato seed they call it, or we call it atsuete, pampakulay. Na. Yeah, I'm gonna put some water.
Just boiled that.
Oh no, I'm not adding a hot water. There you go. Sobrang colorful na siya. I love it. There you go. Yan, we're gonna put these noodles here na. Okay, it's boiling na. Okay, let's just make it boil more. Ah! I know. I'm always scared. Yeah. Okay. Put it all. Yan. Tigil na ang ulan. Tapos na ang ulan. Ayan. Umaaraw na, di ba? As they always say, there's always sunshine after the rain. Uulan na naman. Kanta pa more. Ayan. Ay, nako. Puro, I'm covered with, arena flour. Because we were making, di ba? Egg noodles. But then nakita ko sa yung time nag-alarm na ako. Sabi ko, oh my goodness, it's time to go collect Ben. Ayan guys, from 14 degrees, now it's 17 degrees. At tara, let's sunduin na si Ben dahil wala mang car sa likod. 30 lang siya. Ano yun? Diyos ko, mainit ang aking jumper. Ay, wala na akong time magbihis. So, from kitchen straight to Ben. Collect natin siya, guys. Diyos ko. Nawisan ang lola ninyo. At si William naman is still enjoying playing with the dough. Akatawa. Okay. 15:18. Plenty of time. Ang ganda na ng weather. Maaraw na siya. Oh, stay there. Thank you. Day, dalawa na ang susunduin natin. Kaso ang magkaiba sila ng school. Kasi yung isa sa childminder, si William naman dun sa big school, sa proper school. Kasi they don't accept younger than 3. Si Ben 2 years old pa lang. So, pag 3 na niya, pwede na siya dun sa school ni William. So, we'll see. Aba, nagtitraining ang mga firemen. Oh, nandyan sila. Oh. Kasi madadaanan natin tong fire station, guys. Kaya malapit kasi siya sa amin. At may mga, yung parang kung mag-aayos ng kuryente. Aba, nakalabas din ang fire truck. Okay. Grabe, meron daw sunog somewhere nung dito sa area namin. Hindi naman, siguro mga 20 minutes, at least 20 minutes away from us. May 2 bungalow daw na nasunog. Sabi ko, dapat umulan. Diba? Para, sana walang nasaktan. Wala naman, ni-report na wala daw nasaktan. Ayan, we've got Benjamin now. Say hi! How was your first day, Ben? Egg! Did you want egg? Yeah, we're making egg noodles, so we're going home now, okay? Yeah, say bye, Sue! Bye, Mama Sue! Ayan, he had a good day daw, guys. So, I'm glad to hear that. Kasi yung ibang bata nagwawala, diba? Kasi it's a different place na naman. But, I'm glad he had a good day. Kasi na-miss niya siguro yung mga toys. At si Abia and Bradley din yung mga kalaro niya. Yes! Yes! Beep! 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 Can you hear that? And yung fire station, kung makita nyo dito sa my right. Ayan, yan. That building, guys, that's a fire station. Tapos may mga yellow lines dun sa harap niya. Ibig sabihin, maski traffic, hindi ka pwedeng mag-stop doon. Kasi pag may emergency, they have to come out. Ayan, I don't know if you can see dito mamaya. Look at the firemen! They're having a training, look! Hindi nyo ata makita. Doon somewhere, maliwanag. Yeah, do you see the firemen? Yeah, there's 3 of them. Nino. Yes, Ben. Dinamitan pa kita ng jumper. Kala ko malamig. Malamig naman. It was cold this morning. 14 degrees, tas mahangin pa. Ngayon, umulan. Ayan, na-clear ang sky. It's so beautiful na. Blue sky. O, diba, Ben? Are you going to blow the candle with Kuya William? Simpleng salo-salo lang kami lang wala tayong bisita today kasi busy tayo, and then Daddy had to go to sleep kasi nga galing night at magna-night pa. So we celebrated William's birthday earlier on during holidays namin, guys. So kaya today, ayan, pinaglaro ko siya. We went to Smith's Toys. Nag-food shopping kami ng cake din niya, pero tulog naman siya, so I had to just choose the cake. Hindi na kami nakapunta dun sa sa isang shop, other shop na they have more choices dun na cake eh. Kaso tulog na si William, kumuha na lang ako ng cake na chocolate cake kasi they love chocolate cake. I love chocolate cake. Yes! We have sweet tooth, don't we? Even Daddy, me, awan ng Diyos, okay naman ang mga blood sugar namin. I randomly check it, and minsan mag-fasting kayo and then just check it kung okay ang blood sugar nyo. Kung hindi kayo satisfied, go to your doctors and get it checked, guys, kasi the earlier na ma-find out, the better. So, we can watch our our intake, ang diet, kasi syempre pag may mga anak, diba, we need to be healthy for them. We try. We're home! Yes, we're here, Ben. We're home. How's that? Are you ready for your egg noodles? Ben, shall we go? No. No? Why? It's hot in here. Oh, look, it's sunny on your face there. Tinatanggal kasi yung andali. Ben, have you put your shoes on the shelf? Yeah? Where's your shoes? Oh, wow. Can you put Daddy's slippers on the shelf? Good job. Thank you. High five. Well done. Oh, look at the mess again already. Oh, siya nang naglaro dun sa laruan ni kuya niya. Naglaro naman si kuya kanina, di ba? Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Aba. Happy birthday, William! Happy birthday, William! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, William! Happy birthday, William. Ayun si William. Happy birthday, William. Yan. Hap, hap! Wala. B. Yes. Fly, fly, fly. O yan. Perfect for you, Ben. Si Kuya William naman, all he wanted is the stick. This one. All he wanted is pang eto. The rest is yours. C. K. No. What about this one? Big A. Ayaw? Alright. So how's your day? How's with Mama Sue? Are you okay? Did you enjoy your day with Mama Sue? Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Did you miss your toys? Kalat na agad, oh. Oh.
Mama. Mommy.
Yes.
Dad.
Tractor Ted? I don't think so. Kagwapo, bait-bait naman. Ayan, our pancit Mickey is ready. Ayan. Noodles. Egg noodles. Diba? Gusto ni Ben. He loves it. Kain, guys. Masarap to with boiled egg. Ayan, guys. Nahanap ako ni Ben. Umakyat ako dito para hindi matakot si William. So, nag-inflate ako ng balloon nila. So, dalawa na lang palang natirang balloon nila. Diba? Wala nang natira. So, si Ben ang nakakahanap sa akin. So, ito ang gamit natin, guys. Saan ko ba ito binili? Sa Tesco ko ata binili to. So, it's quite good. Inflates up to 59-inch balloon. Ayan. Bye. Bye daw. Ayan. Bye. Tapos, ang nakakatawa, guys, akala ko mga happy birthday balloons ang nasa bag. Pagtingin ko, happy christening. Oh, happy christening for, to you, William and Ben. To be honest, si Ben, nag-christen ka, diba? Hindi natin sinelebrate dito, but we celebrated it in the Philippines. Yes! Do you like your balloon? Are you gonna give it to Kuya William? Yeah? Let's go give it to Kuya William. Kaya happy christening ang balloon ni William sa birthday niya. Ayaw niya ng madaming balloon. Natatakot siya kasi pag nag-pop, dun siya natatakot. Okay, come on. Let's go blow the candles. Hi, Kuya William. Here's your balloon. Woo! Oh, look. Look at the balloon. Do you like it?
Yeah!
Aba, natuwa siya. Do you like your balloon?
Party time.
It's party time. Yeah, it's your birthday. Shall we blow the candle? Yeah? Yan, guys. Tanggalin na natin ang cover. Are you excited for your cake? Wow. Oh, not yet. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Stand here. Please stand here. Not this way. Okay. That's better. Wow. Okay. Oh, you're gonna put what you want. Okay, put it where you want it. That's it. Wow. No. Lalim naman. Siya daw mag-decorate ng cake niya. Okay, you decorate your own cake. Here. Not too hot, not too deep, just like that. Oh, just like that. Like that. Not too deep. What about this dinosaur? What about this dinosaur? Swap face that. Okay. Put your dinosaur. Oh, wow. Let's put the... Okay, just a minute. Aba, nagpa-pin. What? Welcome, William. Oh, dear. Right, let's put your dinosaurs. Yeah, look at that. So pretty. We're going to put the dinosaur all the way down. Wow, Ben, what do you think of that?
Yeah.
Yes, look at that. Naku, kinain na. Right, let's have a look. Show your cake. Yay! Wow! Wait a minute. Yes, si Ben, guys, kinakain na niya. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 na yan. Okay na yan. Okay, let me mommy put the Diyos ko, guys, hindi ko na they have to kainin na ang cake. Let's have a look. You ready? Let's blow the candle. Okay? Wow! Look at me. Cheese! Ayan, guys, kinakain na ni Ben. Oh my! Yes, there's your balloon, the christening balloon. Oh. Here we go. Ayan, kinain na ni Ben ang Maltesers. That's not your cake, anak. Sige lang, Ben. Oh. Akatuwa ka naman, Ben. That's our cake. Oh, what's that sandwich on the table? Oh, wala na. You ate all the Maltesers na, Ben. Mommy has to replace that now.
They're gone now.
Is it your birthday? They're gone now. Oh my God. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, William! Hurrah! Hooray! Yeah! Oh, William, go stand there. Go stand there. Wait, mommy will. Wait a minute. Don't blow it yet. Don't blow. You got to wait. You got 5 candles in there, 3 stars, and 2 little ones. Okay. All right. You make a wish. Make a wish. Oh, blow candle, William. Ready? Go. Yay! Even here. Here. Yay! Shall we cut it now? All right. Good boy. Right. Allah. Okay. All right. Let's take all this off. And we'll cut it, yeah? And that's it, good boy. I know. Never mind. Oh, come on, let's cut the cake now. Come on, William. Mommy's cutting the cake. Yeah, it's okay. The balloon's fine. You still got 1 balloon. Pumutok po yung isang balloon. Grabe ang takbo ni William. Aray ko. Yeah, let's cut the... Oh, sit down. Sit down, Nak. Sit down. We're gonna move closer. There you go. Si Ben talaga, guys, yun lang white ang gusto niya. Yung toppings lang. I'll put that on Kuya Williams. I know. Oh, sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, Willie. Oh, Ben, come on, get your cake. Wow. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Oh, diba? Another year. Ben, here. Ben, can you sit down here, please? William, can you sit down there?
Mommy, what's that?
Well, Mommy asked you nicely to sit down. Can you sit down, please?
Oh, welcome back.
Yes, fine. Oh, Ben, sit down here now. Here, so Kuya William can sit there. You're eating his cake. Dalawa lang to, guys, ha? Pagka 20 sila, sus Mariose. Pero dahil may pasok si Ben, may pasok si Ben, okay, party first. You can have some time. Go party here. Yes, that's first. William looks okay. So I'm starting. Good job. Ayan, guys, masaya na sila sa cake. At yung pancit Mickey noodles, they'll eat later probably. Magugutom din sila mamaya. Okay? Are you happy? No, because of the balloon daw. Pumutok kasi yung isang balloon, guys. Kaya, never mind. Wow! Anong sabi? The birthday boy. How old are you now? How old are you now? 4 years old now. You are 5 years old now. O, diba? O, sit down na. Busy. Tumahimik sila, guys. O, tumahimik kayo. Kumakain na kayo eh. O, kain na tayo ng pancit Mickey. Good boy. Gutom ang Ben. Ay, ang William. Aba. Yummy Mickey? Yes. Okay, what about Ben? Do you want some of these, Ben? You want some? Wow naman. Do you want this one? That's yours now if you want it. This one. Oh, where's your hand? Ready? This one, please. A soup. Yummy. Busy ang William, oh. Okay? You gonna let mommy trim your hair? You're so birthday boy. Want some more, Ben? No more. Okay, it's mommy's then. Do you want to drink? No? Yes? Kalat. Oh my God, Ben is helping himself. Oh, where are you going? Ben, here please, on the plate. Put it on the plate, Nat. Thank you. Do you want your fork? No. Kamayin. Ala. What are you doing? Oh, you're trying to move that out of the way. Naubos ang ating egg sandwich. Very good. Very good. And watermelon. Ayan guys, ine-enjoy niya ang watermelon. It's one of our favorites. Ano? Watermelon, watermelon.